Today's video, we're talking about how to work from home using conference call software and calendar booking software that is F-R-E-E. What does F-R-E-E spell?
F-R-E-E.
Spells?
Free.
Free. We've got free software we're talking about. I got my two helpers here momentarily, so stick around so you can learn a little bit more. My name's Brandon Alexander. I'm a Senior Customer Success Manager for BrandonSocket. And this
is BrandonSocket,
where we produce videos on BrandonSocket training, digital marketing strategies, personal branding techniques, sales process, and darn tootin' fig Newton, so much more. Can you guys say darn tootin' fig Newton?
Darn tootin' fig Newton.
All right, so we're about to get started. Again, I've got my coworkers at home. It's kind of a blessing to be at home with my family. I do work from home traditionally, but they're usually at school. My wife's usually at work, so it's been very nice and very challenging. And so one of the tools I've been using is, again, youcanbook.me and zoom.us. So we're going to jump on the computer and do a screen share and just do a quick walk around of how you can utilize these functions. So I want to say thank you to my helpers. Say bye to everybody, please.
Bye. Bye. Congratulations for watching our video.
All right, so again, a big thank you to my two coworkers that have helped me do my intro video. Again, it has been a blessing and a challenge working from home. So we're just going to go to I just want to go from the start, youcanbook.me. We're going to get to the front. I highly recommend this free software. There is a paid version, obviously, with everything online. And it comes with some great features. But for the most part, this is all you need. And it really helps you eliminate the back and forth, trying to find a time that works for you and your guests, right? So if people are inquiring about cars and you need to screen share, or at least have a conference call, very neat way to have the functionality to book a time slot. So just like a sales appointment, be an online sales appointment. You can go through PDFs, information, show pictures on the website, maybe pull up a video or send links for them to watch, so on and so forth. So really great, useful tool. And so I'll show you really quickly. So under my settings, this is my BrandonSocket.youcanbookme.com. We'll copy the link. And what you can do is send a link, and it shows a calendar, and you can set how far into the future people can book. But you'll notice next week my calendar opens up. I've got some booked on Monday morning, some booked next Friday. But they have the ability to choose the time slot that works for them. And they simply click the time slot, 10:30, Wednesday the 1st. They put their first name, their full name, dealership name, email, best number. It could be customer's name, email, phone number. Vehicle of interest might be a field that you select down here. So they can choose a vehicle that you want to discuss. We're just going to go BrandonSocket. We'll go dealership X. I'm not a robot. And we're going to confirm the booking. And you have complete control. You have complete control over, let's just do a number that's 6%, 360,389. I think that's it. No, there's a 0, 360,039. Okay, so you have control over the questions you ask, what's required, what's not required. You have control over some of this verbiage. And so one of the lines I put is, please be sure to check your spam and junk folder. Because of the free version, sometimes it goes to people's spam or junk. But they will always see this message when booking. Okay, so great spot to put a what to expect from me, what to look for. Again, please wait for a confirmation email meeting request with a Ring Central screen share link. That's for me. Or a zoom.us if you're using the zoom.us functionality. So really great tool. And so just real quick, I'll show you Wednesday, April 1st at 10:30 a.m. So if I come to my Google Calendar, I go out to April 1st. There's the calendar request. And the customer has been invited, and they can hit at the bottom, yes, I'm going. What we will do on our end is update it with a Zoom meeting request. So we're going to do that right now. On Zoom, you simply create a free account. And I can then come into meetings, and I can schedule a meeting. And it was the first at booking made at 12:15. Where did I see the date and time? 10:30 on Wednesday, April 1st. So we're going to come here. We're going to go My Meeting. We're going to click on the calendar. And we're going to go to April 1st, 10:30 a.m. It defaults to an hour. And we are going to go save. And then we're going to use Google Calendar. And so there's no real way that I have found on Zoom where I can just, copy this invitation. Here, this is what we're going to do. Copy invitation. Copy meeting invitation. It's to the clipboard. You would then go into your work email. So I'll do that on my end. I'm going to go to April 1st conference call. I'm going to open that up here. It already adds the customer's email. And I'm just going to throw the link in here. Boom. BrandonSocket is inviting you to schedule a meeting. Yada, yada, yada. You can delete some stuff if you want. When I send the update, send anyway. When I come back to my calendar, you can see that when I refresh this, that's hopefully it sticks on April 1st. Okay, good. Here we go. When I refresh it, I'll see this meeting. I can click on it. And when it opens up, here is the zoom.us meeting request. And I'll just hit, yeah, I'm going. Great, it's been confirmed. Save. Meeting is a go. It's solid and blue. It's in my calendar. Okay, so 2 amazing pieces of software. One, creates a digital calendar. And again, you can actually use an iframe and host it on your website. If you've got salespeople that have a web page, I've added it to my homepage. I've also added to a contact us at brandonsocket.com/contact us with my availability, and people can go there and select a time slot to book a conference call with me for whatever reason, right? So you're working from home. It doesn't mean you can't accomplish online sales and meetings with these 2 great pieces of software. They're both free. They're both fairly customizable. And I'd appreciate it if you like, share, and make some comments on, do you think this would work for you? Do you need ideas on what could you do on conference calls, right? The vehicles may not be available to you. Maybe they are. I don't know. Maybe you're able to go to the dealership to do a quick screen share from your phone. I have not investigated if zoom.us is available on the App Store. So as I'm closing this video out, I am on my phone right now going to Zoom on the App Store. Oh my goodness. Zoom app. Perfect. There's a Zoom app. So my guess is you can run the meeting from your phone, do a FaceTime if you've got the vehicle. And again, use that youcanbook.me. It's just one of many pieces of software to help guests book a time to get your undivided attention. Again, my name is Brandon Alexander. This is BrandonSocket. I want to thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comment, and do hit the subscribe button for future videos. We'll see you soon.